Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing time and distance, session 3. In this new concept, late and early cases. New concept, late and early cases. A person travels from source to destination some distance at 20 kilometers per hour. Then he is reaching the distance at by 5 minutes later. If the same person If the same person travels at 30 kilometers per hour, then he is reaching the destination by 10 minutes early. Okay, if a same person travel 30 kilometers per hour, then he is reaching the destination by 10 minutes early. Find the distance between source to destination. 10 minutes early. Okay, person travels from source to destination at 20 kilometers per hour. Then he is reaching the destination 5 minutes late. If the same person travel 30 kilometers per hour, then he is reaching early 10 minutes early. Okay, time equal to distance by speed. Time late equal to x by 20. We don't know the distance, so I am taking x. Time early equal to x by 30. Okay, time late plus early equal to 5 minutes plus 10 minutes equal to 15. Total time equal to time early minus time late. Okay, x by 20 minus time early how much? X by 20 minus x by 30. Time late x by 20 minus x by 30 equal to 15 by 60. Convert to 15 minutes into hours. 15 by 60. Convert minutes into hours. Okay. By 60 LCM 60 divided by 60. 20 goes 23 ja 60 3x minus 32 ja 62x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 51 ja 15 4 ja 60 goes 3x minus 2x x 3x minus 2x x by 4 1s 4 15s 4 1s 4 15s 60. X is equal to 15. Answer is x is equal to 15. Okay, let us see shortcut. Whenever they gives time early minus time late, suppose time is 6 o'clock, he came time early means 5:50 only reached in this time. If he is 5 minutes late means 6:05 he will reach into the destination. How much time to reach? 6:10 plus extra late means 5. 10 plus 5 how much? 15. Okay, in the exams we should do like shortcut, because in there is no time. If anybody not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click on bell button. A person travel 3 by 4th of his usual speed, then he can reach the destination by 10 minutes later. Then find the original time. 3 by 4th means a by b usual speed by 10 minutes late. 10 minutes later, whenever they ask to find original time, okay, formula is a into late or early minutes mode a by mode a minus b. What is the original time? A into late or early minutes by mode a minus b. Mode means positive. Okay, a into late 3 into 40. 3 into 10. How much minutes late? 10. Mode 3 minus 4. 3 10 ja 30. 3 mode 3 minus 4. 3 10 ja 30. 3 10 ja 30. 3 minus 4. 1. 30 answer. Okay. If 10 minutes early means A by B equal to 5 by 4. Question 10 minutes early means 5 into early. A into early by A minus B mode. 5 10 ja 50. 5 minus 4 1. Answer is 50. Whenever they ask to find original time means you should calculate like this. Next concept, relative speed. If two persons are traveling with different speed S1 S2 in same direction, then if the person travel two different speeds, then same direction means if same direction means S1 minus S2. Take formula, opposite directions means S1 plus S2. Okay. Question. A policeman is traveling with 10 kilometers per hour. The thief is traveling with 8 kilometers per hour. The distance between both the persons is 100 kilometers. Then find the time taken by the policeman to catch the thief. Policeman is traveling with 10 kilometers per hour. Time equal to distance by relative speed. Distance is equal to 100. Relative speed S1 minus S2. 10 minus 8. Relative speed S1 minus S2. 100 by 10 minus 8. Two speeds are given now. Policeman and thief. 10 minus 8. Answer is how much? 100 by 2 equal to 100 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0. 50 hours. Answer is 50 hours. Next question. The speed of a bus without any stop stages is 45 kilometers per hour. With the stop stages is 36 kilometers per hour. Suppose Mumbai to Chennai, the speed of a bus is 45 kilometers per hour without any stop. Without stop. Okay, with the stop stages is 36 kilometers per hour. If we stop in the middle of the destination, then 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, formula is stopping time per hour, relative speed by max speed into 60. Relative speed how much? S1 minus S2. Same direction no, S1 minus S2 by max speed how much? For 45. Max is bigger one, 45 into 60. 45 minus 36 by 45 into 60. 9 by 45 into 60. 9 5 is 45. 5 12 is 60. 12 meters. Next question. Both the ways walking takes 55 minutes. One way walking and one way biking totally takes 37 minutes. Then both the ways biking takes how many minutes? Okay, AB. One way walking, both the ways walking takes how much? 55 minutes. A to B, B to A, how much? 55 minutes. Second, one way walking and one way biking. A to B, one way walking, one way biking. How many minutes it take? One way walking, one way biking. 37 minutes. You take total 37 minutes. Okay. Then both the ways biking takes how many minutes? Find out. Then both the ways biking how many minutes? Then finding both the ways biking how many minutes? We should find both the ways biking. Walking equal to x, biking equal to y. Both the ways walking, x plus x equal to 55. 2x equal to 55. Walking and biking, x plus y. Walking is x, biking y. Multiple both the ways biking. If you find both the ways biking, multiply with 2. X plus y. 2x plus 2y equal to 37. 2 is 74. 2x value 55 plus 2y equal to 74. 2y equal to 74 minus 55. 2y equal to 19 minutes. If both the ways biking means, both the side biking means y plus y equal to 2y. 2y equal to how much answer? 19 minutes. Okay, if anybody not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click on bell button to get latest updates. Okay na? Okay. Next, shortcut. Both the ways bike, time to find. Okay, if they ask both the way bike, time to find means lower value into 2 minus higher value. 37 into 2 minus 55. 37 2 is 74 minus 55. 19 minutes.